In this chapter, we'll study about statistical diagrams. It's from your big book D2 and chapter number 16. There are many types of statistical diagrams like pictogram, bar graph, histogram, line graph, pie chart. But what you will study in this chapter, you will study about scatter diagram, histogram, and frequency polygons. For scatter diagram, we'll study about no correlation, positive correlation, negative correlation, and line of best fit. Let's start. Scatter diagram. When the points are given to you in a scatter form, then there will be no correlation. When the points are a bit closer, then the correlation will be low correlation. When the points are closer to each other, there will be high correlation, and when points are overlapping, there will be perfect correlation. Types of correlations. When the points are rising to the right side, then there will be positive correlation. When the points are rising to the left side, there will be negative correlation. When the points are in a curved form, so there will be curved correlation, and in this way, it will be partial correlation. Now we have a question. It's time for 100-meter race, which is shown on the horizontal axis, and the time for 200-meter race is shown on the vertical axis. It is said complete the scatter diagram. The first 5 points have been plotted for you. Total points are 10 and first 5 points have been plotted. So next 5 points will plot by ourselves. Let's start now. So against 14.7 on horizontal axis will read 32.5 on vertical axis. 14.7 will be over here and 32.5 will be about over here. The point will be here. So against 13.7 on horizontal will take 28.4 on the vertical axis. 13 against 13.7 will take 28.4 over here. So against 12.9 on horizontal will take 26.1 on vertical axis. So 12.9 will be over here and the next point will be here. The fourth one is for the 15.2 on horizontal will read 33.5 on vertical. So it will be over here. The last point is against 16.1 on horizontal will take 36.0 on vertical. So our last point will be plotted over here. Now for the next one, for the B part, it is asked what type of correlation is shown in the scatter diagram. As we can see that all the points are rising to the right side. So the correlation is yes, correlation is positive. For the C part, it is said that draw the line of best fit. How to draw the line of best fit? For the line of best fit, we can cover some of these points on the line and leaving some points above the line and others will be below the line like this, because all points can't be covered by a straight line. This is the answer of C part. For the D part, it's given that the time for 200-meter race is when the time for 200-meter race is 27.5. What will be the time of for 100-meter race? So against 27.5 over here, we'll go to the graph, and against this value, we'll read the value on the horizontal axis like this. So it's about 13.3 seconds. It was the answer of your all parts. Now it's your home task. In this, you will only state the type of correlations. There are four parts for this question: A, B, C, D. You will do it by yourself. And for the second question, it is as same as I have solved for you. So 5 points are already plotted, and other 5 points you will plot by yourself and answer the given questions. Thank you very much.